filming when Sherbet Butts rallies the townspeople to go and march on the park. It's supposed to be a small town of about 30 or 40 people, which became a town of 2.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Yeah. So is that too much?
I think maybe for the scene, purely because what we want to enter on is a scene where the violence is kind of dissipated.
I'll also shoot the introduction of Sherbet Butts here with the 2 nuns, and we had a nun not show up.
This is females.
It is. Nuns are female.
Female.
Yeah. No, it's fine. We don't see your face. I had to enlist Leo. He's one of our gaffs, and he had to become a nun.
He became surrounded by the authorities. He was imprisoned without trial. No one hated the boy more than Sherbet Butts.
Excuse me, Mr. Butt.
Yes, Doris, what is it?
The notice of closure has been taken down.
There's only one option left. We will have to take the boy to St. Augustine.
St. Augustine's is where all stray children went. What went on inside wasn't known, but any kid that went inside never returned.